Dravenhold's technological superiority continued to grow, particularly in the realm of environmental control. Their Aelorian Suppression Field was refined into Systemic Aeloria Containment Grids by 275 AR, a network of orbital and ground-based emitters designed to neutralize spore proliferation in specific zones on Thalios. This allowed for limited controlled resource extraction, demonstrating a highly sophisticated, albeit ethically questionable mastery of environmental control and a pragmatic approach to mitigating a persistent threat.